More and more of Iowa's youth are getting their COVID vaccine after the CDC gave full approval last week to Pfizer's shot for 5 to 11-year-olds.
The government gave Iowa an initial shipment of 99,000 doses. But for some of the pharmacies and clinics, their supply of vaccines is at the mercy of what they're given from suppliers. So what do parents need to know?
Local 5's Mary Sugden spoke with organizations who play a role in our local vaccination system and joins us with their message.
Yeah, Samantha and Stephanie, what I heard from pediatricians and pharmacies and agencies like right here at the Polk County Health Department is there is absolutely no shortage of pediatric vaccines, but they are a specific formula of how those vaccines are allocated, which does mean at times parents could see fewer appointments.
Health experts in central Iowa agree. Parents don't need to panic. There are plenty of vaccines to go around.
So I can see how it can be frustrating when you have just a set amount of vaccine and a limited number of places that are giving it. How do you get that taken care of? My best advice is we do not have a shortage of vaccine, and so just be patient.
The Polk County Health Department says it gets an allocation from the state, but those distributions are not always the same or easy to predict.
We are at the discretion of what the state provides for information because of what they're getting from federal Pfizer level.
The health department allocates vaccines to health systems, pharmacies, and doctors' offices. But some organizations also get access to a federal allocation system. It's what Hy-Vee relies heavily on.
I would say almost all of our vaccine allotments come directly from the CDC. So we became a federal retail pharmacy partner last February. And since that time, we've gotten all of our shipments from them. We order through their ordering system.
Doctors recommend parents' first step is to call their pediatrician.
This is something we do often and in every visit. And also you have nurses that are used to giving vaccines to little ones too. So I think that'd be the first place to reach out and just see what their thoughts are, what the availability would be, and then kind of go from there.
And those pediatricians that I spoke to today, their message, if they don't have the vaccine in their office, they can be sure to kind of point you in the right direction and really answer any questions that you might have about vaccinating your child. Now, something else parents might want to be aware of, you can do a flu shot at the exact same time, same appointment. The way they'll do it, they'll give each shot in a different arm. Reporting live outside the Polk County Health Department, Mary Sugden, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.
All right, good information in there, Mary. Thank you so much. Well, the Biden administration is encouraging school districts to hold vaccine clinics for kids. Officials are reminding districts they can tap into billions of dollars in federal COVID relief money to help with those vaccine efforts. Well, we reached out to school districts in the metro. So as of right now, the Norwalk School District plans on holding a clinic this Friday. Des Moines Public Schools says they're in the process of setting up a clinic. Urbandale, Waukee, Southeast Polk, and Johnston all said they have no plans to do so, while West Des Moines is researching if a clinic is possible. We're still waiting to hear back from Dowling and Sadell.